Hello and welcome to Castanet's AM Update for January 7th. I'm Carmen Weld, and here are some of this morning's top stories. An online petition seeking the abolition of the medical service plan premiums is gaining steam in BC. The petition was created by Ucluelet resident Michelle Coulter about a month ago and now has more than 43,000 signatures. As it stands, BC is the only province to charge such monthly premiums, and someone who makes more than $30,000 a year pays the same as someone earning $300,000 a year. Vernon RCMP are seeking the public's help to identify an ATV thief. On December 18th, a trailer and Polaris ATV were stolen from the 5300 block of 27th Avenue. The vehicle and trailer, minus the ATV, were later recovered on the 5500 block of Willow Place in Vernon. And the weather is cold, the restaurants are empty, and your wallet is lacking, which means it's the perfect time for the annual Dine Around Thompson Okanagan. This is the 14th annual event created by the BC Restaurant Food Services Association for all the foodies with seasonal blues. More than 50 restaurants from Kamloops to Osoyoos are participating, the largest participation they've had in years. The weather forecast for today in the central Okanagan calls for periods of snow mixed with rain ending this morning, then cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers or flurries and a high of +2. Be sure to check out castanet.net throughout the day for more on all of those stories and up-to-date news as it happens.